Are you ready for your tip of the day from the sodium attacker? We went to my husband's 6-month checkup, and I said to the doctor, I'm scared to death to go out and eat. He said, why? I said, I don't know what they do to the food in the kitchen. He said, you have to be able to go out a couple of times a month. Just order sensibly. Tell them not to add any salt in the kitchen, and don't put any on when it comes to the table. Now, I'm not telling you to go out and eat. Check with your doctor. Most of the big chains, even the burger places, the fast food, have nutritional values on everything that they sell on their website. If you're going to go out to eat, take a couple minutes and check out your favorite restaurant. See if you can actually go there. See what you can order, if it's going to be good. And low sodium. It's not a good idea to go out and eat and then come home and say, oh, I wonder how much sodium was in that, and find out that you've gone over what your doctor said to have for that day. We have to plan a little bit in advance. Most restaurants use frozen French fries, and they come salted. There are some that use fresh cut potatoes. When they do, you can order them without salt. Then they don't have any. Because potatoes, by themselves, processed, don't have sodium. It's what we do to them that makes that go up. If the tip of the day helped you, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you if you have a comment or a question. I'll try to find the answer to you. I'll be posting several of these little videos every month to keep you underneath those milligrams that your doctor said to stay under.